Fós Arash, welcome back to an everyday Gaeilge weekly mini lesson. We're going to look at how to say it's nice to meet you in Irish, which is a really handy one for just general everyday conversation and speaking Irish like a native speaker would. So it's nice to meet you is Tá sé go deas bualadh leat. Tá sé go deas bualadh leat. Now, before we go more into pronunciation here, obviously there are different dialects in the Irish language. There's Ulster, Munster and Connacht. I do speak Connacht myself, but generally try to give you a general pronunciation like the standard Irish. But you can type this phrase into aber.ie, that's written here at the bottom, and you can hear how this is pronounced different in the different dialects, or you can pick out words and choose how they sound in the different dialects. For example, go deas, it has a J or G sound in Ulster and Connacht, but in Munster they say go das, das with a D sound. So do check aber.ie if you're interested in any particular dialect. But grammatically, this is how you say it's nice to meet you. Tá sé is it is, go deas, nice. Bualadh is literally a verb to meet or to hit as well. And then bualadh leat, meet with you. So you use le, the preposition le, which is with in Irish. Tá sé go deas bualadh leat. It is nice to meet you. And then looking in the yellow here, you have a pronunciation guide if you would like it. Tá sé go deas, and then remember it can be das with a D. Bualadh leat. Tá sé go deas bualadh leat. And then quickly, tá sé go deas bualadh leat. It's nice to meet you. Now, as a bonus, let me show you how you can change this up a little bit. You can change the tá sé to bhí sé, it was. So this should be it was here. Bhí sé go deas bualadh, bhí sé go deas bualadh, and you can go with leat for one person like we had in the last one. That's it was nice to meet you. So it is nice to meet you, or it was nice to meet you. So you can choose there. They're used in the same context as they would be in English, but all you have to do here is change tá to bhí. And then you can change leat to live if you are saying it to more than one person. So bhí sé go deas bualadh live, it was nice to meet you, more than one person. So if 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Or tá sé go deas bualadh live. Tá sé go deas bualadh live, it is nice to meet you, to plural, more than one person. So there's a few phrases here for different contexts that you can get out of just this one sentence. So Tásúlam go on to Tanavos. I hope you enjoyed it. Gura míle maith arís. Thank you so much again. If you're watching this on YouTube and you're not subscribed to our newsletter, you can do so down below in the description. And we also have an everyday Gaeilge Rusty to Fluent series that's going to happen in a couple of months, and that's only going to launch to the waitlist. So if you're interested in that, you can pop your name on the waitlist below. Gura míle maith arís. Thank you so much again. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.